You use soap every single day of your life. You wash your hands with it multiple times before lunch. You bathe your children with it. You lather it across your skin in the shower and rinse it off without a second thought. You have never once questioned what is in it, because it is soap. It cleans things. It rinses off. And that is the beginning and the end of the story. The ingredient list on most Australian supermarket soap brands tells a completely different story. Synthetic fragrances that contain dozens of undisclosed chemical compounds. Parabens linked to hormonal disruption in peer-reviewed literature. Sodium lauryl sulfate, a surfactant that generates foam by stripping the skin's natural protective lipid barrier with repeated use. And for several products, 1,4-dioxane, classified by the International Agency for Research on Cancer as a Group 2B probable human carcinogen, found in independent laboratory testing as a manufacturing byproduct that does not appear on any label because Australian law does not require its disclosure. 9 brands. 3 that held up. Here is the rule that changes every purchase. Real soap has a short ingredient list. Coconut oil, olive oil, sodium hydroxide, water, sometimes salt. That is the complete formulation for genuine soap. Every ingredient beyond those is a processing aid, a foam enhancer, a preservative, a synthetic fragrance, or a skin feel additive. When a body wash has more than 10 ingredients, the product is not primarily cleaning your skin. It is performing daily chemistry on the largest organ of your body. Count the ingredients before you buy anything from this aisle. 9 brands, starting now. Number 9. Dove Beauty Bar. One of the most purchased personal care products in Australian supermarkets. The moisturization and skin gentleness positioning has been the central message of Dove advertising for more than 2 decades, and it has worked. Dove has genuine consumer loyalty built on the consistent promise of a gentler product. Here is what 2 decades of advertising did not mention. Dove Beauty Bar is not technically classified as soap. Dove itself describes the product as a beauty bar, a specific marketing and product category distinction, because the formulation does not meet the legal definition of soap in its ingredient composition. It contains synthetic detergents, synthetic fragrance, which under Australian labelling law is a single permitted term that can legally contain dozens of individual undisclosed chemical compounds, including phthalates that are endocrine-disrupting chemicals with documented hormonal effects in peer-reviewed research, and parabens in some of its formulations. Dove is owned by Unilever, a British-Dutch multinational corporation with revenues exceeding €60 billion annually. The gentleness positioning is a marketing strategy applied to a product whose ingredient list contains synthetic chemistry that is not present in genuine soap made from oils and lye. Number 8. Palmolive Naturals Moisturizing Body Wash. The word naturals appears directly in the product name, and it is doing significant marketing work. The packaging shows cream and honey, 2 ingredients that communicate natural origin, gentleness, and skin benefit. The ingredient list contains sodium lauryl sulfate, a synthetic surfactant specifically engineered to generate foam through the chemical process of stripping the skin's natural lipid barrier, which is the protective layer your skin produces to maintain moisture and resist environmental irritants. Repeated daily use of sodium lauryl sulfate has been documented in dermatological research as associated with increased skin sensitivity and barrier disruption over time. The product also contains synthetic fragrance, the same legally protected catch-all term that conceals the individual chemical compounds in the fragrance formulation. Palmolive is owned by Colgate-Palmolive, a US multinational with annual revenues exceeding $18 billion. The naturals claim in the product name refers to the inclusion of some natural-derived ingredients in the formulation. It does not mean the product is free from synthetic surfactants or from the undisclosed chemical compounds grouped under the word fragrance. Number 7. Aldi Lacura Body Wash. Private label personal care at the budget price point. No published independent third-party testing results are available on any Aldi Australia consumer-facing website or channel for the Lacura product range. The formulation contains synthetic fragrance and sodium lauryl sulfate as key functional ingredients. No dermatological testing certification of any kind is displayed on Australian Lacura packaging. The budget pricing reflects a formulation developed to meet a cost target. The ingredient selection is driven by what achieves the product's functional goals at the lowest possible input cost. For a product applied to skin daily across a household, the question of what is in it and whether it has been independently tested for safety is a question Aldi's Lacura range currently does not answer on its packaging. Number 6. Softsoap Liquid Hand Wash. One of the most consistently purchased liquid hand soaps in Australian supermarkets. Present in kitchens and bathrooms across the country. An independent laboratory analysis commissioned by consumer safety researchers found that some soft soap formulations contain 1,4-dioxane, classified by the International Agency for Research on Cancer as a Group 2B possible human carcinogen, as a byproduct of the manufacturing process used to produce certain ingredients in the product. 1,4-dioxane is not listed as an ingredient because it is a manufacturing process contaminant, rather than a deliberately added component. Australian labelling regulations do not require the disclosure of manufacturing contaminants on product labels. Only deliberate ingredients require disclosure. The compound does not appear on the Softsoap label because Australian law does not require it to. Softsoap is owned by Colgate-Palmolive, the same US multinational that owns Palmolive. Two separate brand names with one corporate parent and a shared disclosure gap. Number 5. Woolworths Essentials Body Wash. Woolworths private label body wash at the entry price point, positioned as the accessible no-frills option for households that want functional body wash at a manageable price. The product is sourced through competitive tender pricing, meaning the specific manufacturer and the specific formulation can both change between Woolworths procurement cycles without any update required to the consumer-facing label. No independent third-party safety testing results are published on any Woolworths consumer-facing website or channel for this product. The formulation contains sodium lauryl sulfate and synthetic fragrance, the same surfactant and fragrance concerns that appear across the other products on this list. The ACCC Supermarket Inquiry, published in March 2025, found that Woolworths and Coles provide broadly similar product ranges with limited meaningful differentiation. Their body wash private labels confirm this finding with precision. Number 4. Coles Body Wash. The same private label structure as Woolworths Essentials. The same competitive tender sourcing model that allows the manufacturer and formulation to change between contract cycles. The same complete absence of published independent safety testing results on any Coles consumer-facing channel. The same sodium lauryl sulfate and synthetic fragrance framework. The ACCC inquiry, finding about broadly similar product ranges with limited differentiation, describes these two products exactly. The choice between Woolworths Essentials Body Wash and Coles Body Wash at the supermarket is not a meaningful safety choice between two different products. It is a choice between two nearly identical formulations under two different labels, both of which leave the same questions unanswered. Number 3. Sukin Botanical Body Wash. Sukin occupies a genuinely different market position from every other product on this list. The brand is authentically Australian-founded. It is owned by BWX Limited, an ASX-listed Australian company. The ingredient sourcing genuinely prioritizes plant-derived components over synthetic alternatives. The natural positioning is meaningful relative to conventional personal care products, rather than being purely a marketing claim applied to a synthetic formulation. The concern is specific and limited to one aspect of transparency. Sukin products contain what are described as natural fragrance blends, blends of plant-derived aromatic compounds rather than synthetically produced fragrance chemicals. Natural fragrance blends are genuinely different from synthetic fragrance in their origin. However, they can still contain specific aromatic compounds that trigger reactions in fragrance-sensitive individuals. Sukin does not publish batch-specific third-party testing results for individual products on its consumer-facing website. If anything in this investigation has changed how you look at personal care products, the like button helps other Australians find this before their next shop. Number 2. Dettol antibacterial liquid hand wash. The most immediately recognised antibacterial personal care product in Australia. The red packaging, the distinct antiseptic smell, and the hospital-grade antibacterial positioning have made Dettol the automatic choice for Australian households specifically concerned about bacteria and surface contamination, particularly kitchens, bathrooms, and high-touch surfaces. The active antimicrobial ingredient in Australian Dettol formulations is benzalkonium chloride. Research published in multiple peer-reviewed microbiology journals has raised documented and specific concerns about the contribution of benzalkonium chloride to antimicrobial resistance when used repeatedly in domestic household settings. The mechanism is straightforward. Daily exposure of bacteria to sublethal concentrations of an antimicrobial agent creates selection pressure that favours bacteria with reduced sensitivity to that agent. Dettol is owned by Reckitt, a British multinational corporation. The antibacterial claim is accurate and the product is effective at its stated purpose. The documented scientific concern about daily antimicrobial use and its contribution to resistance is what the label does not address. Number 1. Any soap or body wash containing synthetic fragrance without full disclosed ingredient transparency and published third-party safety testing. This is the category that applies to the majority of products in the personal care aisle at any Australian supermarket. Fragrance is a single permitted word under Australian cosmetic labelling regulations. Behind that single word can legally sit dozens of individual chemical compounds, including synthetic musks, sensitizing aldehydes, phthalate compounds used as fragrance fixatives, and other materials that are not individually named on any product label. The compound that triggers a skin reaction in a child does not appear on the label. The compound that causes a headache response does not appear on the label. The compound with documented endocrine disrupting properties does not appear on the label. The word fragrance appears. Everything else is legally concealed behind it. You are applying products containing this catch-all term to the largest organ of your body every single day, in most cases without any published evidence that the specific compounds hidden under fragrance have been independently assessed for safety at the exposure levels your daily use creates. Here are the 3 that held up. The fastest check at the shelf. Count the ingredients in the list on the back of the product. Under 10 ingredients with no synthetic fragrance means the product is working with simple chemistry. More than 15 ingredients with the word fragrance anywhere in the list means the product is performing a complex and partially undisclosed chemical process on your skin every day. Dr. Bronner's Pure Castile Soap. Genuine soap made from certified organic coconut oil, olive oil, hemp oil, and potassium hydroxide, the traditional alkali used in soap making. No synthetic fragrance, no parabens, no sodium lauryl sulfate, no 1,4-dioxane manufacturing concern Because Dr. Bronner's does not use the ethoxylation manufacturing process that produces that compound as a byproduct. Available at Woolworths, Coles, and health food retailers nationally. The ingredient list is shorter than anything else in the personal care aisle, and every ingredient is named. Weleda Skin Food Body Wash. A German brand with more than 100 years of biodynamic ingredient sourcing and formulation history. No synthetic fragrance. Weleda uses plant-derived essential oil blends and discloses the individual aromatic components on the product label, rather than grouping them under the word fragrance. No parabens, no sodium lauryl sulfate. Available at selected pharmacies and health food retailers nationally. For consumers with fragrance sensitivities, the individual component disclosure is the meaningful difference from every other product on this list. Any certified organic, fragrance-free soap bar made using the cold process method by an Australian independent producer. Cold process soap requires 3 base ingredients: a plant oil, sodium hydroxide, and water. That is genuine soap. Every ingredient beyond those 3 in any personal care product is there for foam, for fragrance, for preservation, or for skin feel, not for cleaning. Ask the producer what is in it. Any producer making soap this way answers that question immediately, completely, and without hesitation. Here is what the soap aisle has not been telling you. 1,4-dioxane, a probable human carcinogen, appears in some body wash products as a manufacturing byproduct that is not disclosed on any label, because Australian law does not require the disclosure of manufacturing contaminants. Synthetic fragrance is a single legally permitted label term that can conceal dozens of individual chemical compounds, including endocrine-disrupting phthalates and sensitizing aromatic chemicals. Sodium lauryl sulfate strips the skin's natural protective lipid barrier through the same mechanism that makes it produce foam so effectively. Dove Beauty Bar is not legally classified as soap by its own manufacturer's product description. Daily use of benzalkonium chloride antibacterial products has published peer-reviewed concerns around contributing to antimicrobial resistance. The rule is simple. Read the ingredient list. If the word fragrance appears, you do not know the full chemistry of what you are using on your skin every day. Count the ingredients. Under 10 means the product is working simply and transparently. Look for certified organic, or for a product that discloses every individual fragrance component by name. The personal care aisle is designed to sell you a feeling of cleanliness and care. You now know what questions to ask about what is actually producing that feeling.